Hi, I'll be showing my work for question 5 Roman 1. So for my question, I need to find the total area for the region A and region B. In this particular question, I will find the answer for region A and region B and plus both of them together to get the answer. So first, to find the area for A, I will look at where it stays and use the equation curve because that's the only thing we have. I'll be putting the integral symbol and put the variable in the equation. The 0 will be moved inside the x. Same goes to -1 here. And then we will get 0 minus -2 and we'll get 2 unit square. And as for B, we'll be putting the integral symbol as well. X squared minus 3x equals to x squared minus 3x. Okay. Same thing will happen as how it happens in A. You'll be putting the 3 and 0 inside the x, the variable. And then you'll get the answer 0. So A plus B 2 units square plus 0 equals to 2 units square. So this is the final answer.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adi Irman from Group M3CS1103E. I'll be doing question number 5, Roman 2 from first year question, April 2008. The question is the volume of the solid region A about the line x equal to -3 using the shell method. So in this case, x is equal to -3, which is the area of the A will be revolving on the left side because x equals to -3. So what is the formula for the left side? The formula for the left side is V equal to 2 pi from C to D x minus k fx minus dx toward x. So after that, we need to determine the boundaries. So how to determine the boundaries is you look at the graph back, and as you can see, here is -1 to the origin, which is 0. So we go back to the question, and the boundaries is -1 to 0. After that, we put x minus -3, and the value for the fx is 0 because the question only give one equation, which is x squared minus 3x. And after that, we need to expand this equation, and this is the part that we have to expand. And after that, we can start integrate. And as you can see here, we can simplify. And after that integrate, we can substitute the lower boundaries and upper boundaries. And we will start with upper boundaries first, which is 0 minus lower boundaries, which is -1. So after substitute, we we can simplify and we get this. So minus negative, we will get 11 per 4. 2 pi 11 per 4. So after that, don't forget to multiply by 2, and the final answer we will get 11 over 2 pi unit cube. That's all from me. Thank you.
So this is the question. The volume of the solid obtained by revolving the region about the line 1 equal to 1 using the washer method. So this is the outer layer, and this is the inner layer. So you have to make a line y equal to 1. So basically this graph is shifted at the top. Here are the formula. So fx is outer layer and inner layer is gx. After insert the value, you need to simplify it. Then you need to expand it. Now integrate and simplify the equation. So after that, you need to calculate using the calculator. So the answer is 171 over 10 pi unit cube. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Iqmal bin Yusuf. My student ID is 20194278884. So I need to solve this past year question, October 2009, number X I Roman. So this is the graph. And this is upper bound. Y equals to x squared minus 4 minus x minus 4. This is and this is straight line is y equals to negative x. This is the point at negative 2 and 2. This is the cross point 2 and negative 2. So firstly, we need to insert this formula, which is fx minus with gx. So we insert this value y and this into the value. We change that. So firstly, this is this point, and this is the second point. So x squared minus x minus 4 minus with negative x. We close these two, and we get the x squared minus 4. So after that, we need to change into this form. From this into this with the bracket, and then after that, this upper bound and this lower bound we need to insert in this values. X squared minus 4, so 2 square minus 4 minus negative 2 square minus 4. We simplify and we get x 8 unit square for the area.
My name is Naila Safia binti Ibrahim from Group 2. This is my question. So this is the formula. We integrate from a to b for fx square subtracted with gx square dx. Next step, determine outer layer, which is the curve, and straight line will be the inner layer. Then we need to expand. Next step is to expand. So next step, before we integrate, we need to simplify. After we simplify, we can proceed with the integration of the expression. And then we are able to simplify a few integrations. Next step will be the substitute upper bound and lower bound to evaluate the integral. So 2 for upper bound and -2 for lower bound. For upper bound, I get 856 per 15. And for lower bound, I get -616 per 15. Therefore, the volume is 98.2 per 15, which is 98.13 per unit cube. That's it for my video. Thank you.
So today I will show you how to integrate using shell method. So the question is, using shell method, find volume of the solid generated when the shaded region is revolved about the line x equal to -3. So the graph is given by the straight line is y equal to -x, the curved line y equals to x square minus x minus 4. So the question asks the volume that generated that revolve about the line x equals to -3. So the volume, the solid generated will revolve at this line. So this is the equation that we need to use in order to find the volume of the solid generated. So we have been given the function, the gx, the revolve line, and the boundaries, up and down boundaries. So this is the formula. So we must just insert the equation given into the formula. So the line revolve is at -3. So this is fx minus gx. After that, after we solve it, so we will expand the equation. So after expand the equation, we will get this value. After we will get this equation of this value, so we must integrate it. After we integrate it, we insert or replace the x with the up and down boundaries. So after we calculate the up and down boundaries, we will minus it and we will get this value. So after we get this value, we must multiply it with 2. So this is the last answer. So the volume that the solid generated is 64 pi unit cube. Thank you.